Yeah. Attempts to do intimidation of physical force. Yes. Threatens or corruptly persuades another person or attempts to do so. Yes. As a witness, victim, and an informant. Poop. Engages in misleading conduct toward another person with the intent to, yes, delay me from suing you and testifying in court. Well, you've done that for 3 years and 3 months. So you arrested me on January 4th. Yes. I'd informed you on November 15th. All right. You served me in the Squin Public Library. Yes. And this whole time, what you've done is you've influenced, delayed, and prevented my personal testimony in a court of law. Causes or induces any person to withhold testimony, withhold a record, document, other object from an official proceeding. Now, the copy of the protection order I was served, yes, I didn't get a copy of the document known as a dissolution of marriage. I'm going to get a copy of that, and withholding it from me after I've asked you for 1,000 times, well, why don't you just serve me? You had no problem arresting me. You did not have a problem of obligating me to go to court hearing after court hearing after court hearing. You put me in jail for 27 days. And then when I hinder, delay, or prevent the communication to a law enforcement officer or judge of the United States of information relating to the commission or possible commission of a federal offense, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years or both. Yes. Now let's see here. Law enforcement officer. Poop. How many sheriffs in how many states have received a copy of RI.PDF? Yes. How many police departments hindered, delayed, or prevented my communication with any individual in law enforcement in this nation? Now there's Brady. Versus Maryland, or was it Maryland versus Brady? Poop. And then there's this information relating to the commission or possible commission of a federal offense. Poop. Now, I've named numerous federal offenses. In fact, this Title 18 U.S. Code is a federal offense. Now, I think it's very corrupt on the part of this state. Yes, every state. Poop. The United States. And for every idiot dick that said, well, take me off the email list. Well, did you influence the actual thoughts of those that are in the family that they thought, well, I don't want you to send me any more emails. I don't want you to tag me as your friend. This idea of communicating information because of the commission or possible commission of federal offenses, you get in prison not more than 10 years. Poach. Now, whoever intentionally harasses another person and thereby hinders, delays, prevents, or dissuades any person from attending or testifying in an official proceeding. Yes. Now, I know, yes, that I've been harassed for reporting to a law enforcement officer, judge, of the commission of a federal offense, arresting or seeking arrest of another person in connection with a federal offense. Yes. Causing a criminal prosecution or parole revocation or attempting to do so shall be fined not for the purpose of this section. The official proceeding need not be pending or about to be instituted at the time of the offense. Yes. Now, for every time I said I was going to sue you, would you consider the actual statement, I'm going to sue you and have you imprisoned, as something for the purposes of this section? Yes. Not an official proceeding not need to be pending or about to be institution at the time of the offense. See, every time I said, I'm going to sue you. Well, now, it does fit the definition for the purposes of this section. We don't, as of yet, have the official proceeding. Yes. And it may not be pending, but as soon as I informed you of the crime right now, then it was pending. And it does fit the definition. Now, I wanted to make sure and get the laws enforced today, okay? The obligation, fiduciary obligation of the oaths of office. Yes. Now, I put some more videos in there from yesterday's study room. Yes, yes, we did. Now, I just want to make mention the woman in this picture. Yeah, that's not Marilyn Van Proyn. And the Foursquare thought, you didn't help yourselves. Now, I'm going to want the enforcement of the federal crime statutes enforced. Yes. And your thought was, well, we'll just make him wait. Well, I just wanted every oath of office to know governors, yes, senators, ooch, state legislatures, ooch. Now, for the purposes of this section, when I said I was going to sue each and every state legislature,